Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP. Today I'm going to show you how I make my braised chicken pieces in black bean sauce. Let's get on with it. I have 1/4 to 1/2 cup of salted black beans. I've covered those with water. Just going to give those a little bit of a stir and leave those for 15 to 20 minutes. I've got an onion. Of course, we're going to take the skin off, top, tail, and if there's any yucky bits like that, get rid of it. Just cut it out. It won't be a problem. Cut it in half, and now we start to cut them in a 1/4 cut style, just like I am doing there. I'm going to put those into a bowl, set those aside. We've got a pan on a medium heat, and we want around about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil of your choice. Put the onions in, and we're just going to saute these off and get them nice and soft. Give them a stir every now and then. Make sure they don't go too brown, and we just want a nice soft cook there. Here I have some ginger and a little bit of garlic, around about a tablespoon of each, and we're going to add in our black beans that we have strained, and they are now nicely desalted. Give those a stir through, and you can see the colour already starting to affect the onion. A teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and here we have a tablespoon of Chinese rice wine and a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and around about 1/2 cup of chicken stock, and we're just going to stir those through. We can now add our chicken. We're on a real nice low heat. It's not going to bubble, it's not going to cook too quickly. We want to cook these nice and slow, so we're going to put our lid on for a nice even cook. Come back every 15 minutes and give those a bit of a stir, and we want to cook these until they are done, which should be around about 35 minutes. So look at the colour on that chicken already. It's absorbing all that black bean. Come back, give those another stir, just like I'm doing there. And this is a really simple meal, and you can cook this any night of the week. So here I've got 2 tablespoons of corn flour or rice flour, and I'm adding some water out of my gardening poison cup. Don't do that. To make a slurry, and we're just going to add that slurry straight over the top, just like I'm doing there. We want to mix that through into the sauce, and this is going to make a beautiful thick sauce. Here I've got a nice big handful, and I mean like Hulk size handful of snow peas that I've top-tailed and stringed. So we're going to put those in. They're only going to take a few minutes, and they're going to soften up and absorb more of that flavour, and just give it that beautiful crunch, which is exactly what we want. Okay, let's get ready to serve up. I've got some beautiful steamed rice here. I'm just going to add a couple of pieces of chicken straight onto a plate and cover it with this beautiful thick black bean sauce, and of course those snow peas, which give it that beautiful crunch. Alright, clean the plate, make it look pretty, and now all we have to do is get in and eat it. There you go, KP's braised chicken in black bean sauce. Make this one at home. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, hit that like button. Hey, it gives me confidence. More importantly, hit that notifications bell. But I want you to come and join the family. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I will catch you next time.